That was crazy. Part of that sounded like an air raid. Really scary. Like, part of the siren sounded like an air raid. It was kind of scary. But you could probably hear them because my microphone on this is awesome, but I don't know. And for some reason, this app is like being really weird. Like, when I focus sometimes, you can see that. Like, why is it doing that? If you can see, I don't know if you can. My dog was there the whole time. You can still hear him. Oh yeah, I forgot. The mic's all the way up, so I was talking really, really loud. I'm sorry. That was stupid. I turned it down, so yeah, that's my video, and bye.